Hi guys, so magpapaspa muna kami. Second day. Wala na akong boses. So, I like this one. And, tingnan nyo naman. Everywhere. Merong rice field dito na part. Di ko alam. Saan ba tayo? Reception. There. We have to choose what. Pipiliin kami ng what kind of oil. So, ako nakapag-decide na ako sandalwood. Diba?
Yeah. Maybe we should do that.
Sandalwood. Diba? Nag-vlog.
And then for the scrub.
Pango.
Ah, that's the lure.
Ayur. Ano ayur?
And
Gusto ko si ayur.
there's coffee.
It's bore.
Ah, that's like the luwak.
Luwak. Luwak ito, sure.
What's bore?
Okay din, pero mas ay, gusto ko si
Lulur?
Lure and
Ayur.
Lure and sandalwood. So, yun na. Final na yun.
Let's just do the same.
I have to be quiet kasi papaspa na kami. Yeah? Okay. Pwede ba? Okay.